Hello guys, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to show you a problem that I have found in my previous script. Previously I had this hotspot object here and it has hotspot script in it, and as you know it has raycast here, and if we only have one hotspot object here there will be no problem. The problem will come if we have more than one hotspot. For example, like in this scene, sometimes the problem is happening and sometimes it's not happening, like this one. Previously I was clicking a hotspot that should bring me to scene 1, but this one it brought me to scene 3. The problem is within this hotspot script. If I add this line debug.log hit.collider.name, we will see what is causing the problem. Let's check out the console window. I'm going to click this hotspot. It is detected that we clicked one hotspot, and now if I click the hotspot, this one, and it should bring us to scene 1. You can see it is detecting 2 clicks of the hotspot while we only click one hotspot. It triggered twice, so the problem is within this hotspot script. The solution is we need to create another separate script for the raycast. We will call it player raycast, and we move the raycast from this line to this line. We move it to this player raycast script. Move the scene management here, and now because we moved it here, we need to edit this change scene function. It should take target scene. The target scene should be, the parameter should be hit.collider.get component hotspot.target scene. This way we will not have that problem anymore. We need to attach this player raycast script to this main camera object of player 360 player. Okay, let's try to play it. I'm going to click this hotspot, click detected, and then I click this hotspot. Only one hotspot is being detected that I click one hotspot. This one, this one, this one, this one, and so on. Okay, that is the solution for that problem that I have found. And alright, that's all for this video, and we will what was it? yeah, anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to support this channel. Bye bye, see you soon.